I'm Murray. Look, my partner does eBay already. I've come along as a supportive, but now I feel that from what information I've got, I'm actually now very keen to actually get out there and do it myself. So I feel I've now got some tools that I can use that will make it very easy. And look, there's a lot of research I've got to do, but I believe with the support from Alex and Peter that basically I've got that opportunity now. Anybody that's keen to actually get ahead in life, right, I'm getting a bit older, I want to get me retirement fund happening a lot better. But look, anybody that's from young to older, just get in there and give it a go. He explains things, he's very approachable if you don't quite understand something, and he just takes his time in what he's explaining. I have got one product idea from the conference itself. I've got another one from my own